How to set a self-shutdown timer to start, stop, restart, or power off VPS in Virtualizor. We can set a self-shutdown timer for our VPS and schedule start, stop, restart, or power off actions on VPS at a specified time. Click the Manage icon of the VPS for which you wish to set the self-shutdown timer. Now click the self-shutdown icon. Here we can set a particular date and time at which we want the virtualizer to take action. For instance, we wish to set 7 past 3 a.m. on the 25th of November, 2023, the time for the action to take place. From this drop-down list, we can click to select a particular action on VPS. For instance, we wish to power off the VPS at the scheduled time and date. Now click the Save button. Success! We have set the timer. Thank you for watching.